गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
The poem Jazz Poem 2, which is written by Carl Wendell Hines, Jr. The poem describes an old jazz musician who seems very tired and sad about life. His face is wrinkled and unshaven, and he keeps his eyes closed and head down. He wears old, faded clothes, and his shoes are so worn they have paper tucked inside them. He stands alone in a quiet state. Across his chest lies an old alto saxophone, which is held up by a simple wire coat hanger around his neck. When he gently lifts the saxophone to his lips, he is ready to tell the world he is a black man who was sent to preach the black gospel of jazz. As he plays with loud, intense musical notes, screaming notes and chords, he changes completely. The poet says he is no longer just a man. He transforms into a bird. This bird gathers its wings and flies high, higher, until it flies away. Finally, the bird comes back down to earth and finds himself to be a black man again. Essentially, the man is very quiet when speaking, but his music is powerful and expressive. The act of playing jazz gives him freedom and transcendence.